Looks like a beautiful morning. Was that a Cape Craft?
Yes.
It's gonna be a fish catching machine today, right? That didn't take too long.
No.
It's a nice redfish.
You're on the net.
That's not that big.
No. But we will get the net out this
Got him.
Here, you want it?
We found the school we're looking for. You want a picture of these little guys? Get another mud minnow in there. There's probably 100 fish in there. When you find one, you find a pile of them. It's another redfish. You don't want a picture of these little guys, do you?
No, sir.
Alright. Try to find another one. I was in that corner with those last two. We usually drift in that. Open your bail and let it drift. I think we found a pile of them. This is try not to scare them. Two little redfish. Much bigger fish. Good job. There's a keeper fish.
The net is in this one right here.
Yep. The big one?
Yeah. Yes, it's a big one.
Good fish, dude. Don't lose that sucker.
Never caught a snook.
Dude, it's a monster snook. Oh, it's a big red. That was a red. That's a tournament winning redfish.
Don't tell me that.
Seriously. Wow. We're gonna have to sell it to somebody. Dude, that's a 27 all day. There you go. That's a beautiful fish. Get him off the boat. Oh,
Good Lord.
That's an overslot.
Oh, don't tell me that.
He's too big to keep.
Are you serious?
He's too big.
Isn't there like the stipulation like the black drums you can keep one?
No.
No, not on these, not on the red drum. No.
He's too big.
Oh my God.
That's a 29-inch fish.
Jackie buried my phone. It's right inside the bag there, baby.
He's too big. I can already tell he's over. He's at least 28 inches. Unless I'm really bad with judge. Too big. That's a beautiful redfish though. There she goes.
Yeah.
He's swimming against the mullet. You see how he's swimming against them? Oh, jeez. What are those? You see those two big fish? Get it up there in that dark water. Big one right there. Huge snook. You see him? He's cruising right in front of the tree.
Yeah.
They're sitting right in that sand patch. Look, there's two of them. Two big ones. He's right there. He's looking at my bait, dude. Oh, I just spooked him. So you want a fresh, lively mud minnow when you see that. Big old snook. He's sitting right there. Good 30-inch fish sitting right there in that pothole. Right on the edge of that sand. That current is ripping.
Yep.
Got him. Oh, see, that right there, that's what we needed. I prematurely hooked him. He ate my mud minnow though. So they're hungry. So you want to kind of let your bait free swim, and then every now and then just put tension on it to see if there's a fish on it. But you want to kind of leave your line slack to let them swim. They're sitting right there. I can see two of them right now. There's two snook laying right there. That's a snook right there. He's laying right on the edge of the sand. Oh yeah, he just moved. There's two of them right there. They're just laying there. They don't look like they're in feeding mode. That's a nice snook. Snook are powerful. Don't let them in the trees. There you go. So that's what all them fish are, snook. They're literally right in front of our boat. Isn't that cool? Got to be 28 inches. He's only 25. There you go. A little guy. That's all you gotta do is just fling a mud minnow on there and you get them. There you go. Hey, want a quick picture of this guy? There he goes.
There's two more right there with it.
Yeah.
See him like there?
Another giant redfish. Watch out. There's another overslot too. Pitch it up in front of them trees. Can't catch any small enough to keep, huh? That's a beast. Beautiful redfish right up in the trees. That's cool. Well, that was chaotic.
Yes, just a little bit.
God, that's a monster. Oh, he's bigger than the last one, dude. I can't catch any little guys. Well, I'm sorry, I don't know how to catch the little ones today. Sorry. But I mean, it takes the right cast, the right bait, and it's just, you know, patience. This was just a blind cast. I didn't see this fish. I just got lucky. He ate it right at the right time.
Yep.
But this is the one that I saw cruising back there. He was cruising back and forth. I could see him earlier. He's like the same fish. 29. He is bigger. Different scenery, different picture. 30-inch redfish right there. There's an absolute giant redfish just sitting in that back corner. I've seen him twice. But we don't want him. He's too big. They're twins. And there's snook all over the place. They're not scared enough to leave, but they're aware of us and they won't eat. We're way too close. Oh, there's the redfish we want right there. 22 incher sitting right under that tree. Yeah, put a shrimp right up here by this tree. There's two nice redfish that keep coming out of that branch. He's a keeper size too. He's not too big. He keeps going in that shadow right there. Oh, there's the red right there. Do you see the red color on his back right there? Mm-hmm. I just spooked him. Me literally pointing at that fish scared him.
That's the weird thing.
Sometimes they do. They go, oh, those are all reds. Dude, there's like 40 redfish mixed in the middle of that.
My shrimp was right in the middle of them.
Those are all reds.
Yeah.
Look, 90% of those are redfish under the mullet. Look under the mullet and they're red.
Ah.
They are huge trout, I think. Oh, that's a black drum. Oh, that's a giant trout. Oh my God. Holy crap. Ugh. They're like 23-inch trout. That sounds like a black drum. Oh, it's another huge trout. Oh my God. Oh my God. Flip them in. Jeez. Freaking gator trout in here. We gotta let them all go. Another 22.5-inch trout. That's a good old fish. Gotta let them all go. That is a giant trout. That's it. Missed it on video. We got a big old fat trout. Nice fish. Look at them all. That's another too big to keep. Good Lord. You guys just can't catch small fish today. That one might be... I'll leave it to you to find the big one. Look at her. She got the big red. Need help? You able to flip him? Nah, he's not quite a keeper. Here, flip him over here. Close.